Hello, dear friends. So in this lesson, we will learn inheritance, which is pretty much the most important subject of object-oriented programming. I'll show you why. So let's start. So this is what we've learned so far about object-oriented programming. And again, I will share with you what we've learned in this table in every lesson until the end of our topic. So we'll continue our lesson. So basically, inheritance is when a class inherits properties and methods from another class. So we can think of inheritance as, well, some of the inherited traits that we inherited from our parents. Now, no judgment here, but what does a father pass to a son, right? So inheritance in Python has very similar logic, right? And again, with no judgment. We like Python. So where can we use this? Well, we'll imagine a school, and in this school, there's a headmaster, deputy headmasters, teachers, students. Now, if we want to create a different class for each of these, some of these classes, well, they'll have the same attributes, like name and surname, birth date, and all that. Then, instead of defining these common properties and methods in these classes over and over again, we can define one main class and then get them to give the attributes and methods of this class. So that's the logic of inheritance. Let me just show you how to use it, and then you'll see. So we'll define a new class named teacher, class teacher. Attributes are name, surname, birth date, profession, gender, classroom, def, init, self, name, surname, profession, classes, gender, birth date. Self.name equals name. Self.surname equals surname. Self.profession equals profession. Self.classes equals classes. Self.gender equals gender. Self.birthdate equals birth date. All right, so again, define the showInfo method, def, showInfo, self, print, employee information. And name, self.name. And surname, self.surname. And profession, self.profession. And classes, self.classes. And gender, self.gender. And birth date, self.birthdate. All right, so now let's create a new class named headmaster, and we inherit from the teacher class. We'll define a method later, but this is why we use the pass statement. Pass. Okay, so let's create an object named headmaster1 using the headmaster class. Headmaster John Doe. Headmaster none, male, 01 January 1978. Okay, so now we want to see the info. Headmaster 1 dot show info. And as you can see, we didn't define anything for the headmaster class, but it took the teacher's class's attributes. Cool. Now also we can add extra functions and attributes into the headmaster class. For example, we can define a method named change class. Class headmaster teacher, def change class, self new class, print changing class, self dot classes equals new class. And now let's test it. Create a new object named Headmaster2. Jack, Doe, Headmaster, none, male, 2 February 1979. Let's see the info. Headmaster dot show info. Good, so now we can use the new method. Headmaster2 dot change class 10th. Check the info again. Headmaster2 dot show info. And that's it. You see how that works? Very cool. So in this lesson, we learned the inheritance concept in Python. So we're going to put it to good use later. So stay tuned. See you next lesson. Have a nice day.